In this video, I'll present 3 incidents of dog attacks during morning walks with my dog Sandy. In these, I used the GetGone device as protection. This is one of the secondary back roads in the neighborhood. Notice the aggressive dog on the right with a leash. The leash is not secured and the dog is dragging it. The dog practically claimed this road as its own. This is usually the case with outlying secondary roads. I'm carrying the GetGone device in my left hand. The reason I now carry and use this device is because I got tired of bringing a walking stick as protection to scare off aggressive dogs. Vicious dogs aren't scared of a walking stick unless you hit them on the head with it. The next day that we passed this road, the dog was still there. Let's analyze that a bit. The dog in the middle came out from this open gate. So we walked at the leftmost side of the road to avoid it and walked calmly without making eye contact. Upon seeing us, the dog became very agitated and crossed the street to face us. At this point, I was ready to fire the device. The dog encircles and I changed my posture. This was my attempt to just scare and back him off. I didn't want to fire the device unnecessarily. And he did back off a bit to the side. But as we get a little past him, he reverts to us. This is a common tactic of off-leash dogs. The moment they are out of your vision, they attack. The dog continued to advance and I fired the device. Notice my stance as I fired the device. I pull Sandy towards me with my right arm. I crouch, point, and fire the device at the dog. I continue to fire as I extend my left arm. All this is done in one fluid motion. By crouching and extending, the device aims on the dog. Although alarmed, Sandy is not bothered by the sound. The dog scampers away and returns inside the open gate. We resume walking, still alert should the dog attack again. This is an inner and more quiet street in the neighborhood. Here's an instant replay. We could see an off-leash dog lying still on the street. It looks calm and harmless, but intently looking at us. That's the dog, and now directly in front. It doesn't even care about the car moving behind it. And we proceed. We move to the left to avoid the dog. It raises its hind legs as it stands up quietly. It looks very alert and remains focused on us. I check my device to confirm that it is powered on and ready. All of a sudden, the off-leash dog boldly lunges at us. The dog here is just 2 feet away from Sandy. I fire the device while turning, almost losing my balance. Notice the hair standing at the back and neck of the dog. This raised hackles is the rush of adrenaline. It may mean fear, insecurity, or dominance. The dog wasn't really calm like it appeared a while ago. We continued moving on, and the dog didn't bother us again, even as we stopped and waited for the car in front to move. This is a main road that is also quiet. Let's see that again. The off-leash dog may have come out from this gate. Other than the open gate, I didn't notice anything else. And then suddenly, at the corner of my eye, I sensed movement behind us. I turned, see a dog behind us, and fired the device. This is how the flashing light from the device looks like. When directly pointed, the light can startle a dog. The dog wanted to chase, but a man shouted at it. He called the dog, and it went back in. The man might have been the owner inside the house and was able to recall his dog quickly. His dog appeared friendly and wasn't growling, but we weren't waiting to find out whether it was friendly or not. The dog suddenly appeared and approached us from behind. Incidents like these happen too quickly, and you need to react. So when walking your dog, always remember, be very aware of your surroundings. Watch out for opened gates and driveways. Be wary of dogs lurking underneath parked vehicles. Dogs in a pack are extremely dangerous. Be ready and be alert when walking in a narrow alley like these. Always have your GetGone device ready.